I got an email recently from a viewer about the Blockbuster video I made a couple weeks ago. And the email basically said, I lost the theme. At that time, I kind of blew it off. Honestly, I was proud of that video and the time I spent editing. My pride basically looked at that good feedback and said, nah, we got this. I mean, I thought it looked cool. I thought it was creative and a pretty interesting concept. But lately, the more I think about it, the more I realized they were right. And I think somewhere along the way, I started confusing people. I got so busy trying to impress people, I forgot to make sense. When I first started this channel, the videos were really simple. Starting YouTube over 50, wanting to quit my job, making money on YouTube. The titles were pretty simple. The thumbnails were simple. No over editing or anything, just cutting out my mistakes. I really wasn't trying to impress anybody. And people instantly understood what the videos were about, and I think the algorithm understood it too. But then I started trying to make videos more creative and cool, bigger concepts and the nostalgia and the Blockbuster idea, and we became content and more polished thumbnails. I think somewhere in there, I stopped being myself and I got too caught up in trying to make the next video go viral. I started trying to sound like a YouTuber instead of just a guy telling my story and talking to the camera. Then I realized I really think I started confusing people about what this channel was actually supposed to be. And confused viewers don't stick around very long or come back for the next video. My analytics show that quite clearly.
0.0.
I was probably confusing the algorithm as well. Because one video was about retirement and another one was philosophical, or another one was about nostalgia, and then the next one was YouTube advice. And I think eventually the channel just started feeling random. And when people get confused, well, they're gone. I think I got too far away from trying to help people learn how to start YouTube and started trying to impress people. And somewhere along the way, I think I accidentally started following the old rule. If you can't dazzle them with brilliance, baffle them with bullshit. And apparently my viewers aren't very huge fans of that strategy. I think I did the same thing with my thumbnails too. In the beginning, they were simple. They were easy to understand. And then I started trying to get all fancy using AI to help produce the thumbnails and whatnot, and trying to make everything look impressive instead of understandable. And some of them look pretty cool. Again, I was proud of what I created, and I was so proud of how clever they were. I forgot they still needed to make sense. And I think that's really what matters the most. I think some of my thumbnails became so overproduced and maybe even confusing. So I actually want your opinion on this. Give me a thought. Do you think they were overproduced? The overproduced fancy thumbnails hurt my channel? Drop me a comment below, because I genuinely want to know what you think about this. Look, the truth hurts sometimes. Don't be afraid of hurting my feelings. I'm Gen X. I don't have feelings. Tell me the truth. So here's what I've learned so far. Clarity beats cleverness every time. And simple beats polished. People will scroll way too fast to try to figure out what you meant with that busy thumbnail. They'll click when they instantly understand the problem. You don't need overly edited cinematic videos. You just need understandable videos. And I think that applies to a lot of us small creators. If you're over 40 and trying to start YouTube like me, or maybe you've already started, maybe you can learn from some of the dumb mistakes I've already made so far, so you don't waste as much time as I did. Hit that subscribe button below and we can figure this mess out together. So from now on, I'm going back to the original direction of the channel, which is kind of funny because it was supposed to be the direction from the beginning. You know, simpler thumbnails, clearer topics, more direction or more direct titles, more beginner focused content, and probably a lot less trying to sound smarter than I actually am.
I'm not a smart man.
Because it turns out confusing people is a terrible growth strategy. And I think this channel may actually start growing again once I start trying so hard to sound like a YouTuber. Like I said when I started this channel, I was going to show the good and all the bad. And lately, I think I've shown you guys a lot of what not to do. But the good news is a lot of these mistakes are actually fixable, I believe. And maybe that's the one thing our generation does pretty good. We usually learn things the hard way, but eventually we figure it out.